Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is Asim and I hope you're having a very nice time. Today I'm going to show you that how we can make a fresh creamy fish soup on wood fire. It's very easy and you will love it. So how we can make it? Let's go and watch. So for making fish soup, you need some potatoes. Just cut them. You need some fresh broccoli. And some mushrooms. Cut them in small pieces, but not so small. For fish soup and for this recipe, we're gonna use Lex fish. It's very good in taste and it has beautiful aroma. I love it and you will also like it. So we will mix all the vegetables in the water. And we will not add our fish right now. We will add in this water later. But first we have to boil all the vegetables so that it will get very soft. You only need to add some salt and some black pepper. Just mix it. And it's time to put it on this wood fire. It's a beautiful day and it's so freezing right now. The whole lake is frozen and I think it's -6 or 7 here. You can see it's all frozen. When you see that your vegetables are cooked and soft, you can add your fish. Mix it. And put it on the coals again. And give it approximately 5 minutes. Fish is also boiled and this is the time to put most important ingredient, and that is some cream. Now cook for 5 to 10 minutes more and wait. After 10 to 15 minutes, your soup is ready to go. Just look at that. The creamy fish soup. The vegetables are totally soft. The chunks of fish is just amazing. So that's it from my side. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have any question or any comment, please mention it in the comment box and I will reply it as soon as possible. Until my next video, it's Allah Hafiz. Take best care of you and do not forget to subscribe my channel.